What will happen if Yellowstone erupts? Subscribe. Universal Tutor. The eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano would be a catastrophic event with both immediate and long-term consequences, not only for the immediate vicinity but also for the United States and the world at large. The impacts would largely depend on the size and nature of the eruption. Here are some potential outcomes. Immediate blast. The immediate vicinity, within tens of miles, would be devastated by pyroclastic flows, which are rapidly moving, ground-hugging avalanches of hot ash, pumice, rocks, and gas. Everything in this zone would likely be obliterated. Ashfall. Depending on the size of the eruption, ash could be deposited over a vast area, even covering much of the continental United States. Ashfall can collapse buildings, pollute water sources, cause respiratory problems, disrupt electronics, and make transportation nearly impossible. It would severely impact agriculture, damaging crops and harming or killing livestock. Climate impact. The massive release of volcanic gases, especially sulfur dioxide, would lead to the formation of aerosol particles in the atmosphere. This could reflect sunlight away from the Earth's surface, causing a volcanic winter, wherein temperatures worldwide drop significantly. This cooling could last for several years, leading to crop failures and food shortages. Transportation disruptions. The ash would severely disrupt air travel, not only in the US but potentially worldwide. Roads and highways would also become impassable in regions with heavy ashfall. Economic consequences. The US economy would take a substantial hit, affecting global markets. With major agricultural areas impacted, the US could face significant food shortages, and the reduced production would affect global food prices and availability. Infrastructure failures. Power lines could be brought down, and water supplies could become polluted. Satellite communications and GPS could also be affected due to the vast amounts of ash and gas released into the atmosphere. Human health. People in areas with heavy ashfall would experience respiratory issues. The fine ash, when inhaled, can harm lung tissues and exacerbate existing respiratory conditions. The lack of clean water and potential for diseases in the aftermath would also pose significant health risks. Biodiversity loss. Ecosystems in the affected areas would be severely impacted. Aquatic systems would also be at risk from acid rain and falling ash. It's essential to note that while the potential impacts of a Yellowstone eruption are severe, the likelihood of a massive eruption in any given year is low. Most volcanic activity at Yellowstone in the recent past has been in the form of lava flows, not explosive eruptions, and these have covered relatively small areas. The U.S. Geological Survey continuously monitors the Yellowstone region for signs of volcanic activity and provides regular assessments of potential hazards. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.